Hello everyone, welcome back. It's another day and it's another video tutorial. For today's video, I will show you how to achieve Summer Pastel Preset using Lightroom Mobile app. This filter is perfect in summer and in photos with interesting color palettes. It applies to all photos, but you can adjust the settings manually if needed. So let's begin. Exposure set to 53. Contrast +10. Highlights down to 75. And in shadows +73. Whites down to 27. And then blacks +70. Okay, let's go to color panel. Temperature set up to 10. Tint -5. Vibrance +35. Saturation +10. And then, alright, let's go to the mix button. Saturation is -42. Hue is luminance is -10. Orange panel. Luminance +12. Yellow color. Hue -76. Saturation -40. Okay, luminance 0. Green color. Hue is +64. Saturation down to 77.
A few moments later, a few inches later, 2 hours later, 1 eternity later.
Luminance 0. And then aqua. Hue is +72. Saturation down to 20. Luminance -13. Okay, let's go to the blue color. Hue is -38. Saturation -18. And then luminance -16. Let's go to the purple color. Hue is +53. Saturation down to 57. And luminance 0. Let's go to the magenta color. I didn't do anything, so wala. Done. Let's go to the effects panel. Okay. Texture is -10. Clarity +20. The haze 0, vignette is -10. Sharpening is +22. Okay. Masking +20. Noise reduction is +27. And color noise reduction, +12. So that's it. This is your before and then after. Let's save the preset. Go to this standard icon button. According to my friend, it's called standard icon. It's not ellipsis. Okay, let's go to create preset. And then let's name it Summer Pastel 2. Kasi na-save ko na yan. So, 2. Alright, so na-save na yung preset mo. So, let's apply it to other photos. For example, this one. Go to preset. You can always make adjustments if it's too white or if the exposure is very high. You can always adjust it. For example, this photo, it's too bright, so adjust natin ang shadows siguro. Let's see. And then exposure, let's adjust down to like 33. Okay, whites, yeah. Para hindi siya masyadong bright looking. Yan. So this is before and after. Try pa natin sa iba. If you like this tutorial, give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more Lightroom tutorials.